客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们加入客家风情，一起发现客家之美。
人讲做戲係點呢？看戲係啱嘅。正見呢度年讀好看戲，大家聽聽劇情，見看見一文，也好多語言老文化。也見嘅客家戲劇表現都見來見好，接受得獎。有看過呢條本年當我錄嘅戲出冇？
As the saying goes, those who act are crazy, and those who watch them act are fools. Many people like to watch plays, and Hakka plays have been more and more successful in recent years, even winning several awards. The 60th Golden Bell Awards will be held on October 11th, 17th, and 18th. In addition to the main award shows, there will also be projection shows and a commemorative publication. For this year's Golden Bell Awards, Hakka movies and shows received 27 nominations. The Hakka Affairs Council aims to support the creation of high-quality and culturally rich media, while also showcasing the diverse culture and values of Hakka people.
Yo, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我邊個呢度
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。哎，是不是要邀請我們去看戲還是什麼？對不對？
看戲哦，看頒獎典禮。
哎，對，因為在10月11號、17號、18號就是要辦第60屆金鐘獎，而且呢分別有廣播金鐘、節目金鐘、還有戲劇金鐘。沒錯，而且今年的主題叫做下一秒未來。
下一秒未來。
哎，對，為什麼會了解這麼多啊？因為今年的金鐘廣播是我主持。
哦，厲害呢！
安子 C。不過呢，我覺得重點還是要 Leo 來介紹今年有入圍的一些客家戲劇好了。
好啊好啊，客家天師嘅戲劇表演也好見到見數到大家嘅注意從今年來講總共呢位有27項啊，其中星空下嘅五潮島嶼
啊，這個我知道，這個歷史劇啊，星空下的黑潮島嶼嘛，對不對？
對還有客家天陽宴 Apple Facebook。
哦 ，Facebook 這個喜劇啊，一個諧音啊，對不對？
錯，一出戲我沒懂說啊，因為我係一個語言指導。
哦，真的假的？哦，厲害的嘞！
知識啦。唔過啊，我留睇下手機度一個星空下嘅五潮島嶼一出戲啊，哇，當香呢，拿到16項嘅入圍呢。
哇，那走啦，有包括哪一些獎項呢？
包括有這個明明養媳、男主角、男配角、女配角、導演、編劇，總共16項大獎。
All right, great. Let's teach you some of the phrases associated with movie roles like 男主角 and 女主角。
男主角。女主角。
And then the Golden Bell Awards 金鐘獎。
金鐘獎。
And there you have it, knowing about the celebration of film and TV here in Taiwan, the Golden Bell Awards. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
安子 C 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.